Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to update your microphone drivers on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. No matter what type or brand of microphone you have, the methods in this video should work. You can also follow the methods if the microphone is part of a headset, although you may need to get drivers for the headset as well as the microphone in some cases. It should also work for Bluetooth microphones, which are likely part of a headset too. There are a few ways to check for driver software, and in a lot of the cases, your drivers might be already up to date. Most devices won't need drivers to be downloaded to work, but it's worth checking to see if there are any driver updates available. Remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. We'll start by using the automatic Windows tool to try and update our drivers. To do this, first head to the Device Manager. You can get there by searching for it in the search bar. When the Device Manager opens, look for the section called Audio Inputs and Outputs and double-click on it to expand it. It should be near the top. In here, look for the microphone you want to update the drivers for. If you don't see it on the list, make sure it is connected and working on your PC. If it is connected but isn't being recognized, then click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you how to fix potential problems with microphones on a Windows 10 PC. If you do see it, double-click on its name to bring up the Properties window. Now go to the Driver tab, which should be the second option. In here, find where it says Update Driver and click on that. Now choose the Automatic option, which should be the top option of the two available. If there are any drivers that Windows finds, it should install them automatically. However, it might say that the best drivers are up to date. If you want, you can click on Search for updated drivers on a Windows update. If you need help installing a Windows update, click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine focusing on that. As well as updating these drivers, we also need to try updating the driver software for other items in the list. Go back to the Device Manager and look for Sound, Video and Game Controllers and expand it. Within this section, you may see your microphone again. There will also be things like Realtek HD audio. You can update these drivers as well with the method we just covered, which was double-clicking on the name, then by choosing Update Driver, and then the Automatic option. If you are unsure which items from the list to update the drivers for, you can try them all. Remember this method to update drivers in case you get the driver file later. In that case, you can use the manual method instead of the automatic method we have just done to navigate to where the file is stored. You shouldn't have to worry about this though. Once you have installed the driver, you may need to restart your PC. If your microphone still doesn't work after restarting, first try rolling back the driver update. To do this, go back to the Device Manager and find your microphone on the list, and then double-click on it, go to the Driver tab, choose Rollback Driver, and then follow the steps. If after this it still isn't working, then visit the video I mentioned earlier. That will run through a few possible fixes. We'll now move on to another way to update device drivers. You can do this method even if Windows couldn't find any driver updates. This method is to check on the website of the manufacturer. This will be slightly different depending on the brand your microphone is. Go to the official website of your microphone manufacturer and look for a Downloads or Drivers page. Alternatively, you could search on Google for the microphone brand and then drivers. Some brands will have a drivers page, but just make sure you are on the official website, as I'm not responsible if you download something from a fake source. You should have the website or information about where to get drivers on the box of your microphone or headset or in the instruction manual. On the driver's site for the brand of microphone you have, most should display or allow you to search for your model number or series. Search and find yours, and then find where it allows you to download the driver. Download the driver, and once it's finished, open the file. It should be a setup file, and all you need to do is follow these steps to install it. Once again, this method will vary depending on your microphone's manufacturer. If your microphone stops working after installing the new drivers, you can roll back the drivers by following the method I showed earlier. There is one other way to check for and install driver updates. This is to download and install automatic driver update software. This software will help with updates for all kinds of drivers on your PC automatically. I'll leave a link to a video in the description showing you how to install that software and get the latest drivers. And so that is how to update your microphone drivers on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. And if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.